In this video, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison between Gevi AI and InVideo AI. Utilizing both platforms with the power of AI, you can create amazing videos. But as you will see, Gevi AI has a huge number of additional features and functionality that can be used to achieve a wide range of goals for social media marketing and content creation. If you ask Google the current valuation for InVideo, recent reports and sources indicate a valuation in the range of $200 million, some suggesting potential for up to a $500 million valuation. First thing that you do is you come in here, you pick a topic, music, subtitles, voice, and the type of media that you want. You then click proceed. It gives you a pre-formatted prompt. Then you click create my video. This is the Gevi AI video creation process. Come in here. We're going to enter that exact same prompt. Video length 1 minute. Orientation portrait, that is for the short. Transitions, we're just going to do fade. Create a voiceover, yes. Select a voice. We're going to pick media types, pick keywords, and then also you have the ability to generate the title, description with AI, and the tags. We can save this as a template so that we can use it in the automation or easily run this again to create additional videos. We're going to save the template, and then we're also going to create this first video. We can see the process for the video creation here. Check back in on them, click generate, and it looks like we've got the same type of process. Now, the first thing that I want to mention is that this has been running for about 2 minutes now, and the video generation is still only about 44%. And if we go back over to Gevi AI, after about 45 seconds, this video was done. Now I want to go over some of the main differences between the InVideo editor and the Gevi AI editor. First of which is there's not a whole lot of options here. You've got some options down here to edit the video. You can edit the music. You can pick some stock music. But I guess the main point is the video editor is very clunky. It's hard to understand. It's not all in the same place. And it's just not a very good experience. The other thing that I noticed too is that their editor is very resource intensive. When it is running, I'm having a hard time running other tabs in the actual browser or other software. It also makes the playback very choppy or not work at all. As you can see, I just hit the play button and the video is not even playing. With the Gevi AI editor, and I'll play both videos side by side here in a second, but I actually had to close out the InVideo editor because nothing else in my browser was running. With the Gevi AI editor, you can run the editor and absolutely anything else that you want to. But with this editor, we have everything in one place. We've got all of the different tracks down here and the media items that were used to create this video. If you want to do things like add text, it's all up here in this sidebar. You can upload your own media clips. You can add text. We've got a large selection of stock videos from both Pexels and Pixabay that you can use. You can search for different videos. It's the same with images. We've also got a Google image search. You can generate captions straight from one of the media tracks. Got a huge library of stock background music. You can select from different types. Transitions are right here. You can add them this way. You can also edit the script very easily and regenerate the voiceover. This tab shows all the media that was collected during the video generation process that you can switch out for any that are currently in the video. And then you can also edit things like the transitions easily here from the sidebar, and even the orientation if you wanted to switch it to landscape. For any of the media items existing in the timeline, you can select them. There's a huge number of additional options over here. You can edit the captions, edit any of the audio files, and again, it just makes the overall process of editing the video that much easier. Another thing that I'll point out is I've generated 4 videos in the same amount of time that it took to just generate one video with the InVideo platform, and I'll show you how easily that was done here in a second. So now I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of the 2 videos that were generated.
This quote will rewire your day. I'm sure you've heard the news. Doubt is stealing your future. Let's stop it. Right now. FDR's line is simple. Doubt is the real obstacle, not talent or luck. It means most barriers are self-made, fears, second-guessing. waiting for perfect conditions. So what do? Start small. Pick one tiny action today that scares you a little. Send the message, try the pitch, write the paragraph, repeat it, build momentum. Replace "I can't" with "I'll try." Over time, those tiny tries become proof. You can do more than you thought. Doubt shrinks. Possibility grows. Go prove it.
Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. This quote by Albert Schweitzer reminds us that true fulfillment comes from within. Often we chase external achievements, believing they will bring us joy. But what if we shifted our focus? Happiness is a state of mind, cultivated by gratitude, self-compassion, and a positive outlook. To apply this in your life, start each day with a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things that bring you joy, no matter how small. This simple practice can shift your perspective and create a foundation of positivity. Next, embrace self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Acknowledge your efforts and celebrate your progress rather than fixating on perfection. Lastly, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with uplifting people, inspiring content, and activities that spark joy. By creating an environment that nurtures happiness, you pave the way for success. Remember, when you focus on cultivating happiness, success becomes a natural byproduct. So take a moment today to embrace joy and watch how your life transforms.
So that was just the difference between the actual video generation process. Now I'm going to go over the additional features and functionality that the Gevi AI application has over the InVideo application. First of which is the actual downloading and rendering of the video. For InVideo, if I click the download button, it's going to give me some options here, but I can't even utilize most of them without a paid account. For DVAI, users get access to all the features and 100 credits. It is just the number of videos that they're able to generate with a free account is limited, not actually any of the features. 100 credits ends up being about 5 cents per every free user. With InVideo, you can export the video, only lower quality versions of it, and they require a watermark for the video. GVAI, not only can you export highest quality videos, but you can also do things post directly to social media. The title and description that was generated in the video process is pre-populated, along with all of the other options needed to post to sites like YouTube. Connected these different accounts, I just have to select one, and then I can post directly to YouTube. With InVideo AI, there's absolutely no way to post directly to your social media channels. If we also look at some of the additional features and functionality of InVideo, you've got your media library here. You've got a tab for generative pics. So that's just other videos that other users have generated. AI photo to avatar, motion graphics, text to clip, text to image, photo to clip, text to title clip, and preset library. All of these are very basic features that GVAI already has or will have in very short order. So all of the additional features and functionality I'm about to go over with GVAI, InVideo AI just does not have. So we've got all of our videos that we have created previously. We've got all of our videos that we have exported that you can download, you can view in a new tab, or you can post directly to social media, and this column right here tracks which videos you've already posted to where. And then we also have our templates functionality, which if you remember earlier in the video, when we were creating the video initially for the form, we were able to save it as a template. These are where the templates show up. You can duplicate a template, you can edit it, but then the really cool thing is you can just click a button to run the template and it automatically creates a video with all of the presets. And then the other really amazing feature is the ability to automate absolutely every single part of this process with the automations. There's no other platform that I've seen that has this. Filling out this simple form, you can just give the automation a name. You can say run every X hours or every X number of days. Frequency value right here. You pick the template that you want to run, and you can select to automatically render the video and then also automatically post it to your social media channels. Click Create Automation is going to create the automation, and on the frequency the user has selected, it will create the video, render it, and post it to social media. And as you can imagine, if you are managing content for businesses, or you have channels that you're earning from the partner programs, the ability to set this up once and just run it on autopilot is going to be incredibly easy and profitable. You just need to connect your social media account. And again, all the features and functionality that I just went through, InVideo has absolutely none of them. As far as I can tell, InVideo is a platform that you can use AI to create videos, have a basic editor. There's not much more to it than that. The features are limited, much more expensive, and the actual website and interface is pretty clunky, hard to navigate, and resource intensive. Another entire segment of functionality that Gevi AI has are the AI agents that you can use to do a wide range of things, some that are not even specifically related to video, but many that are. You can come up with ideas for YouTube channels, and generate thumbnails for images, generate profile images, generate video titles and descriptions, hashtags, and I think one of the coolest features is that you can create your own AI agent with absolutely no programming skills. So if you have a specific need or specific use case, you can easily create that agent, and you can even post it to the main agent page and earn revenue if other users utilize it, or you can just keep it private for your own use. In about 1 week, I will have integrated some of the other major AI models like Sora and Google VO3 so that users can utilize them in their templates for 8 to 15 second clips in their own videos, or again to set up automations for creating and posting some of the viral video shorts that you see out there. Videos that get 1.4 million views, 500,000 views, 300, that can all be set up and automated to the AI and the templates technology. Pricing is very straightforward and goes off of a utilization basis. And once again, InVideo has absolutely none of these features and functionality. With some of the other companies that I've talked to, they have expressed a desire for the ability to create other social media post types that are automated, and with the platform and technology, it's very easy to integrate these features and opens up additional revenue streams. However, as you have seen in this video, this platform is ready, easily competes some of the leading platforms in the space.